talk like yourself. No, I hear someone else. So now you're making me nervous. You were the better part of every bit of beating heart that I had. Whatever I had, I finally settled on